blinking. Let's wait a second and see if it's connecting. Let me check on my phone here. See if it's working.
It's working.
Oh, we're live now?
Mm-hmm.
You can see it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. We are going live from the computer and trying out the new Facebook Live platform, and it's kind of blinking at us. So hopefully we're connected all right and we're not losing connection. Nathan is with me tonight. He's my 10-year-old, and he has not done any Chalk Couture projects. So we're going to go through the exclusive April's Club Couture. That's our VIP monthly subscription. You get Happy Mail every month. It's a brand new design every month, not available to purchase in the catalog. And it's only $19.99 per month. And it's shipped out like the first week of the month. So this month's design is the vintage typewriter. And we had put out a poll or pictures this morning, I think it was, of different design options. So honestly, I'm just going to kind of cheat, and I'm going to pull up our inspiration picture that we're going to shoot for. And I'll put it in the comments, but I've got the picture just right up on my phone. We're going to try to recreate this picture, Nathan and I are. So I have that as our little inspiration. We've got one of our reusable chalkboard surfaces available in my shop. We have a design previously on here, and we'll show you how super quick and easy it is to repurpose this and use it for our next design. So we've got the fine mist sprayer, and this, I'm telling you, if you don't already have one, you need one of these. So you just fill it with distilled water, spray it on. It's amazing. Now, paste scraper, and again, Nathan hasn't done any of this before. So Nathan, what I want you to do is just take and scrape the paste off.
Okay.
Or just scrape it like towards the middle of the, yep, just go like, yeah. Yep. See how easy it is to take the design off and repurpose it? And if you just like scrape the layer off, because we're going to still use our board eraser and some water. Oh, and I've got some paper towels here too.
Okay.
Okay.
Got it all.
Okay. Now we'll just wipe off kind of our little extra Chalkology paste mess. Okay, so that took that first layer of the Chalkology paste off, but there's still a little bit on there, right? Mm-hmm. So now, what we're going to do, let's get that out of the way. We're going to use the fine mist sprayer again, just to add some more water. And now, if you want to take the board eraser, and I just like going in circles like that.
Okay.
Yep. We've got the rest of the family downstairs and playing Minecraft.
Okay.
And then just keep going. So we have a nice clean surface. The board eraser is our version of a magic eraser. It helps get the rest of the paste off and any ghosting that the paste has left behind from the design. Awesome. Now we have a nice clean surface to start with. Now, something just learning from my mistake. Our boards, some of them come with hanging hardware, so just double check before you do your surface that your hanging hardware is on the top. I have done so many designs upside down. So our hanging hardware is on top. And now we're going to use our brand new Club Couture transfer. As with all our brand new transfers, they're reusable. There's use instructions and care instructions on the back. So we're going to open this guy up. And then there's several different pieces or sections to this transfer. I'm going to hold it a little close so you guys can see. 1, 2, 3. There's 4 sections to this transfer. So can you guys see up here the different sections? So there's guide marks where you can cut it. So we're just going to cut this up into those 4 sections. If you want to grab scissors and just follow the lines and cut that for me. With your monthly VIP Club Couture subscription, you get your Happy Mail, you get the exclusive transfer of the month. You also get 3 sample paste packets with 3 different colors. So you'll have your transfer and your 3 colors that you need to make your design. The transfers are reusable anywhere from 8, 10, 12 times on up, depending on use and care. So that's pretty awesome. You set that aside. All right, put that one aside. Cool. All right, so the design that we are going to recreate, let's do the typewriter first. So if you want to start unpeeling this, like, or lifting it up, and go like that. And now this is super sticky, so just kind of peel it off, and we don't want it to stick to itself. Yeah. And then I'm going to pull this, our fuzzing cloth. I'm just going to put this here. You just stick it right on top of that fuzzing cloth.
The sticky part?
Yep, the sticky part. Yep. And then just kind of go like this. And now lift it up and do it again.
Okay.
You're going to do that like 3 times. So we are fuzzing our transfer. You want to keep the backer sheet, the transfer sheet, because this is when you're all done and we wash off our transfer, you're going to put it right back on our backer sheet. I can't see a darn thing. I can't see if anyone's coming in or if anyone has any questions. Do you see anything?
No.
No? And it's really goofy because with this new, or I guess the new Facebook layout for the computer, I can't see when you guys come in, so I can't say hi to you. I don't have my glasses on anyway, so I couldn't see a darn thing anyway. But I will go back. So if you have questions or comments, please leave them down below in the comments, and we will come back and address those and answer those. Okay, yes. So now that we've fuzzed the transfer, that's just going to take some of the stickiness off of the transfer. It's still plenty sticky, right? It's still really sticky. So hold on to that. And now place it on your transfer. We're going to kind of do it on this side of the board. So it takes some of that stickiness off to where when we are finished and we want to, you can peel it right back up and straighten it out. Yep. And then just place it wherever you'd like it. But it makes it so when we need to take it back off and reposition it, it's not so sticky that our transfer doesn't rip or stretch or anything like that. Just makes it, is that nice and straight? Okay. So now, just like Nathan did, and he hasn't even done this before, he's a pro, we're just getting all the air bubbles out of there, especially on the silk screen part. So this white area, that's what we're going to chalk over. Now we're going to do a 2-tone. So we have 2 colors that we're using. We're using the black velvet, and what was the second one? Shimmer.
Yeah, shimmer copper or something.
Shimmer copper. Yep, you're right. Okay, so do you see what part's going to be what? All right, so we're going to take our squeegees. We're going to use one for copper and one for black. And then, yeah, so I think we should
We should probably do the black first for the bottom and then do the copper.
Yep, so right about here, I'll sort of get us started to show you. I'm going to put just some on. And then right about that little line and below is going to be black.
Okay.
And it's okay if we mix it just a little. But now that we've got that part black, if you want to take more black and put it all on here. Yep, and then just squeegee it right through. So you can see it doesn't take a whole lot of paste, right? Because then what you want to do, watch. So see how there's some extra right there? You just take and you just go like that. So see how it goes all the way through like that? And then if you need more, you just add a little bit more.
Okay.
Yep. And you can put more paste on, because if we have too much paste on and we squeegee off, guess what? Where we're going to put it? Right back in the jar. So we can save it for later. While Nathan's doing that, my ball cap of the day is actually a year ago, Eric and I were in California. We participated in the Ragnar race. So it's a 12-person relay. It's like 200 miles running relay race. And it was over, I think, 32 hours from Huntington Beach to San Diego. 32 hours in a van, a team of 12 people, and one person on our team was running a leg at all times, all hours of the night. So yeah, last year we were in California doing that. That was super fun, super exhausting, all the above. And so my hat just kind of reminds me of that. This particular hat is from an organization run like a girl, RLAG, RLAG. I'm an ambassador with them. Great organization for supporting you in your running, your hiking. I also did 3 years ago, I think, I did a 5-day Squamish, British Columbia retreat. It was amazing. Hiking, mountain biking, kayaking, whitewater rafting, stand-up paddleboarding. The best, amazing experience ever. Okay, good with that one?
I don't know how to put it in the jar though.
You just go like this, watch. You just take like any extra and then you just put it right on the edge. Okay, so hold that for me. Now, because this Chalkology paste dries a little quick, we are going to take and just lift this part up that we've already done. Just to the point where we've done it, right? So just, if you want to hold that down for me. Just to right there. And then watch. I'm just going to take that. I'm just going to take it and let go. Okay. So now, our next color.
Where do you want me to put this one?
You can just set it down. Because we're going to come back and use that. So our next color is our shimmer copper. See where that goes? Okay.
I'll just do the little parts first.
Yep.
Oh.
That's okay.
Okay.
The good thing about this, especially with the surface that we're using and with the Chalkology paste, it's washable, just like you saw. So if you're messy like me and get all of your hands or your clothes or whatever, it's washable. It's considered semi-permanent because once it dries, and I can pull off one of the surfaces behind us, once it dries, you can't smear or smudge or rub it off.
Right there.
That's right. Maybe make this whole thing. And then we'll just make this part, or if you want to do the whole top, we'll just do the whole top shimmer copper. Yeah. That's fine.
Okay.
Yeah, so just do the whole thing. But it's semi-permanent, so it's not like a regular chalk on a chalkboard where you can smear it and smudge it. Once it dries, it won't smear or smudge. But unless you seal it with like a spray-on Krylon, or heat set it if you're going to do t-shirts, tea towels, pillows, aprons, what else? Like tumblers and cups and glass. You'd heat set those and that makes it permanent. But this is not, which is super awesome. It's an organic Chalkology paste, non-toxic. Not that you're going to eat it, but it's non-toxic. Probably doesn't taste very good. All right. And then what's going to happen when we're done and we do the final peel and reveal, we're going to take our transfer up. I'm just going to set it off to the side. But when we're finished, I'm just going to take my board eraser and some water and wash it off. Let it dry, and it's ready for my next use. And so you can see as you're doing that what areas you've already been through, right? Because you can see right through the silk screen transfer. Yep. Squeegeeing off the extra. You want to squeegee any of that off?
Oh, yeah.
And then, sweet. Now we can peel this off, right? Okay. Hold it down for me, if you could. Because you can see it's still super sticky. Awesome. I'm just going to set that down to the side.
No, the high one.
Should we show what it looks like so far? So here's our vintage typewriter so far. Looks so cute. So because, we want to put high right in the middle of here. So I want this to be, here I'm going to clean that off just a tad. I want high to go inside of there, and but I want this to be dry. So we have our trusty blow dryer. I'm just going to blow dry it real quick to speed up the process for it to dry, because if I left it wet and then stuck this transfer over top, when we peeled it off, it's going to peel off our underneath. Does that make sense? So I'm going to blow dry it real quick. All right. Now let's let that cool off just a second. So high, I think we should do in black. What do you think?
Yeah.
Okay. So if you want to take that off and then place high right in there.
Don't we have to use the thing?
You know what? You can put it right on your shirt.
Oh.
The fuzzing cloth is awesome. It's available in my shop. But if you don't have a fuzzing cloth, watch. Just stick it right on your shirt. No, like up here. And then peel it off. And do it again. Yeah.
One more time.
Sure.
Okay.
Boom. Okay, now place that. And then just make sure, there's no air bubbles right there. Perfect. Then use your black velvet Chalkology paste. And especially here, a little bit goes a long way. Yeah. And then you can squeegee off your squeegee. Yep. So get all that extra off first. Then you can come back and do it again. Or if you needed another squeegee, we could do that. Yep. All right. Ready to peel that off? Do you want to do it?
Yeah.
Doesn't that look cool? And then just stick it right up there, upside down. There you go.
Perfect.
So here's what we have so far. Hi.
Oh, I forgot.
Okay. Then the last part, this is going to be a little bit tricky because, nope, we're not going to cut it. Okay, so it's making and then it up as I go. So,
You won't cut it?
nope, we're not going to cut it. We're going to just put it just like that. And then here's what I want you to do though. Be real careful. Just get that word, right? So let's take this off.
Oh,
Alright, come here.
oh no, not there.
Okay. Oh,
I forgot.
that's alright. Because you know what? We can just get it right off. See how easy that is? Now, okay, let's try that. Okay. If you go...
Paper towel?
Yeah, go get me a clean paper towel real quick.
We're out of paper towels.
Okay. We're in a pandemic. We're out of paper towels. Okay. There we go. All right. So let's go. Like that? Does that look straight? Okay. And that, yeah, just as long as that part is down. Okay, go for it. I'm going to try to pull this up on my phone because I can't see. Oh, there we go. Because I can't see who's all here and who's joining us and who's commenting. Remember just a little. No. Video. Here. How about that? Okay. There you go. Okay, so now I'm going to take this one off.
Okay.
Making. Now we're just going to go it up. So only do it up.
Okay.
So just slow and steady for me. Stay on my... Don't do that A. That was close. Don't do that G. Making it up. Now the last part. As I go. This is kind of fitting for us.
As and then I go, or as I go?
As I go. All of it. The rest of that. There you go. Okay. I'm going to put that one over here. You want to hold it up? Okay. And then I know the lighting is kind of goofy. Can you guys see? Maybe tilt it down just a tad. There we go. The closer you get. Perfect. Hi. Making it up as I go. All right. What do you think about your first time?
I like it.
You like it? Was it easy?
Yeah.
And fun? Cool. All right, let us know if you have any questions for Nathan or I about, or if you have questions about our exclusive Club Couture Transfer of the Month, our VIP club, how you can join the club. Drop your questions below. See you next time, right? Okay. I gotta get up and get way over here. Bye.